the meeting, Mary Mitchell. Comrades on the platform. And there are many senior comrades on the platform. Comrades, workers and warriors, foot soldiers and supporters here in Cave Valley tonight. Boy, I want to tell you, you look good tonight. You look enough tonight. PNP River, come down, bank to bank in Cave Valley, in Southwest St. Anne tonight. I want to say to Comrade Danishka Williams, you have made a fantastic start to your political career in representational politics. We are very proud of you. You bring a fresh energy, a fresh vision, and you are going to bring power to Southwest St. Anne and change it into something better than you found it. And I know that the people are responding to you because you're a little powerhouse, our little princess, Comrade Danishka. I want to big up Mr. Williams in the audience, big up Trainer in the audience, and all of the men who have come here from near and far to support our little princess Danishka. Comrades, we've also had another important new development in the party. We have another candidate too, who we presented earlier this week in Central Kingston. And he's here tonight, and I want to just recognize him as well. We're his comrade, Steve McGregor. Come in, Steve. Yeah, man. So, here on the left hand, I have Danishka. And here on the right, I have Comrade Steve McGregor. And I tell you, the PNP is moving forward. Exciting. The wind is blowing in our favor. And we love the vibes. Thank you for coming, Steve. Yeah, man. Comrades, as the General Secretary has said, we are ready for the general election. Our candidates are in place, we have done the work, and we are now fine-tuning and just preparing because we expect this election anytime. And we know that the government is in a desperate mode. They know the country has turned against them and their shenanigans and want a fresh, clean, new start to take Jamaica forward to a better place. But we're not being complacent. We cannot take this thing lightly. They don't intend to give it to us. We are going to have to do the work and do what it takes to make it happen. And I ask you, Southwest St. Anne, do you believe that we can make it happen? Are you ready for a new government? Are you ready for the People's National Party to assume government? I want Anju to hear that in Beverly Hills tonight. And comrades, we have a fine team to form the next government. In critical ministries, we have people of vision, people of energy, people who are doing the research and the analysis to know what the problems are and where the solutions lie. We have heard from some of them tonight. We've heard from Dr. Alfred Dawes in health, a man who is versed in the public health system, has worked as a surgeon in Savamar Hospital, where he was heading up the medical team. He is not somebody who is just a PR expert, spinning a yarn to fool the people. And we see the outrageous situations in the health system. Carmel Regional Hospital, where a project to renovate the hospital that was supposed to cost $2 billion is now gone over $21 billion and can't finish all now. We know what is happening in the health centers and in the hospitals. When you go in there and you're sick and you need a bed to be admitted, you can't get a bed. You have to be on a bench or in a wheelchair in a corridor in pain, and some of them don't survive it. We have Damien Crawford in education. Damien is a man thinking about education and training in this country 24/7. And I know that the only solution and the only hope for education in this country is to have a man with the energy and determination and vision of Damien Crawford to carry Jamaica out of the slump which it now is in education, and educate our people so that we can be productive, we can create wealth, we can get a better life, we can build a better Jamaica. And Damien, I'm looking forward to working with you when we achieve those great things. In agriculture, we have Dr. Dayton Campbell, a son of the soil of St. Anne. And he is going to put the energy that he has, the strength and power that he has to fix agriculture, to give the Jamaican farmers a better deal so that they get the support they need, the financing they need so that they can invest in their farms, the cold storage facilities, so that they can ensure that if they have excess crops, they don't have to dump them or push them in the market to collapse the price, but they can be held in cold storage. Farm roads must get attention. Irrigation must get attention. Radar must be properly resourced to support the farmers. We have many talented persons on the stage. We have Philip Caldwell, the man who broke the monopoly in telecommunications in this country, so that we can have a competitive market, and there's more work to be done in that area too. But he's going to be focused on energy and the electricity system in the country, where Jamaica's electricity is so expensive that we can't be competitive in manufacturing on a global scale, and where the people are suffering from the high bills, and there's so much people who can't afford to regularize their own houses so that they can become lawful customers and have to be doing other things to get life. There's a lot of work for us to do, comrades, but we are ready for the task at hand. I want to focus on the bureaucracy of the country, me personally, looking at how we can make it more efficient, more user-friendly, so that business people who want to move ahead and find stumbling blocks in their way can have those issues solved by looking at the real root causes of them and sorting them out. I'm versed in the development of legislation in this country. Under Porsche, I was in charge of the legislative program. We had to deliver record numbers of legislation to meet every test of the IMF in those days. And I'm going to bring those same skills to making our bureaucracy more user-friendly and efficient, so it works for Jamaica instead of being something that is considered a hindrance to progress in the country. And we need to build a Team Jamaica approach. We need a mindset in the public sector that says, how can I make this situation better to make Jamaica more efficient and more productive? How can I help this person move forward in life? We need that kind of approach. And we need to work with the business community, with entrepreneurs, and back them as well, so that Jamaica can really put its best face forward to develop the economy and create wealth for the people. Our vision is to take Jamaica forward at a rapid pace, investing in the human capital of the country, investing in education and training, fixing the health system, supporting our farmers, building out the logistics industry of the country, because we are on a very important course of trade through Panama Canal for shipping lanes. We have tremendous potential in that area, but this government has dropped the ball on that, like it has dropped on so many balls and so many things. And we need a government of integrity in the country. We need a Prime Minister whose Integrity Commission declarations can be certified and who's not under investigation for the corruption offense of illicit enrichment. We need a Justice Minister who encourages compliance with the rule of law and doesn't tell parliamentarians to violate the Integrity Commission Act. If I was Minister of Justice and I was saying the things that the current Minister of Justice was saying, I would have to take for myself. He must go. How can he be giving incorrect, negligent advice to his own colleagues about what their obligations are under the law that is under his own portfolio? It is a disgrace what is happening in this country. I was at Rebel Salute last night, and I want to tell you, the amount of people there who see me and say to me, say, you know, so I never vote yet, but in the next section I have to vote for you because we need somebody like you to take us forward. And I know there are many laborites out there who are ashamed of this government and ashamed of this Prime Minister. We have a vindictive government and they may be afraid to say so, but I know that that is what they feel. And I say to them, give the People's National Party and the Majesty Golden a chance. Back Jamaica, let us move the country forward. We're all one Jamaican people and we can achieve great things together. Anyway, comrades and friends, we have some niceness to come in tonight. And I don't want to hold it up, because I love niceness too. So I'm going to wrap up my little contribution and just say to each and every one, it is a serious mission we are on to deliver Danishka in this constituency. When we deliver Danishka in this constituency, we deliver Jamaica forward with the People's National Party government. And what does that mean we have to do? We have to get every single person who has ever voted PNP to come out on election day and put their X beside the head, beside the name Danishka Williams. And any person who is still uncommitted or didn't like to vote but wants to see this constituency move forward, we bring her a full of musical princess and give her up so that she can help that process to move in the right direction. So, I present to you right now your next candidate for the great constituency of South West St. Anne. I bring to you Danishka Williams. Yeah, man.
We're going to sing Jamaican rice to follow the party rules. I'm going to ask Lovers Choice, do you have Jamaican rice? Yes, just Jamaican rice and then we drop back tonight. One verse of Jamaican rice. Next one. Go look on this man, put up this man for them. Come right on the stage, I can see it. Microphone. Come right, please, if I will slip up to the top, please. Easy. Congrats! Give money. Comrades, when you're ready, you know what that is not going from a cable and go on some piece of road there. I want to be a second not you. Are you ready? Check. So, yes, I check. So, comrades, number one. Yes, I know you're excited. Engineer, number one. Two. My check. Turn off that on my please. Comrades, I check one. All right. Comrade Danishka could not be presented here tonight. I want to show you how true PMP is. How we are make sure that Jamaica know who we are. A fun party. How we are members of the PMP. So I bring to you now some of Danishka's closest friends. Some of the PMP closest friends. He was at conference, but he never get to make the stage. Yesterday, you have seen it on Instagram. One of Jamaica's biggest export, born in the parish of St. Thomas, grew up in Waterford, Jamaica, now from the unruly. Hold on. Live in the parish of Portland. Wherever that you say. But he grew up in Waterford and the Gaza. Now we have the warrior from the unruly camp. I say welcome, Switzerland, Popcaan. Mr. Switzerland and friends. Engineer, please, the mic. Put up the mic, please. Number one, please. Volume on the mic. Volume on the microphone, number one, please. Are you ready for a good time? You ready for Mr. Sutherland? You ready for your unruly boss? Making his way from backstage to center stage. And you know what? You have some friends with him too. And I'm sure you're gonna like it. You might have put the friends with him too.
Yeah, our time. Read.